Hey, I'm Sean with Creative Alaskan Pallets, and if you've got issues with trying to round up critters, here's an idea. Take a stack of these and go ahead and drag them out and line them up. Once you brought them in, set them up, line them up, go ahead and secure them to the wall. If you choose, go ahead and put a gate in. In charging, you're going to get a green solid light in this particular charger. If it's completely dead, you'll have a red flashing light. And the screws that I'm using are these. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the description below, and it'll have a link. And we're going to go ahead and throw up some more pellets. Alright, so I'm making a corner here, and yeah, I'm securing it. Not so difficult. Okay, so I've got my corner put in, and I had to space this out, and I have a little bit of a gap, but that don't matter because the critters won't get in there and still making a fence without letting them set them free. Not yet, guys. Hey, guys, not done yet.